is ready. Toby's flying with Daddy. My good buddies. Hi there, sweetie. Hi, you having fun? Yes, you're having a great time with Dada. Are you crawling away now?
Yeah, I've had enough of me. I want some more fun on my own.
You want some giraffe? You gonna come see Mama now? Oh, look at that strong guy. He's going for his toothbrush. Good job, buddy.